This is what the Election Commission has been saying. Okay, getting some pictures coming in. Ishita, there's some pictures coming in from the Supreme Court. And we can see Mamta Banerjee there. Yes, over to you, Ishita.
Right, of course, we're getting some visuals from inside the Supreme Court. Mamta Banerjee, in fact, sitting beside her legal counsel, it seems. She's inside the Supreme Court. You know, those are unprecedented, rare visuals coming on Republic at this point of time. We had her arriving at the Supreme Court a short while ago and now entering the lift, and now she's inside the premises of the Supreme Court where the legal proceedings will begin. The top court, in fact, the top bench will start hearing her writ petition in which she's challenged the process of SIR, but those crucial visuals coming to light where a sitting chief minister is now taking on a battle with an institution, in fact, Election Commission of India, and the battle is now panning out in the Supreme Court today. As we speak, viewers, we're getting you live visuals, in fact, visuals of the chief minister sitting inside the Supreme Court. In a short while from now, she will in fact appear before the top bench. She will argue her own case, make direct submissions. But right now, those are the visuals on your screen. Unprecedented, very rare that a sitting chief minister has come out, taken on and will appear in fact before the top bench, argue her own case in the case that she says that the entire SI process is now illegal. It's being carried out with a political bias and is being used to target her government in the state of West Bengal where elections are due. Of course, Election Commission of India and the state electoral officers are respondents in this case, and as a hearing will begin in a short while from now, but those crucial pictures on your screen where Mamta Banerjee appears inside the Supreme Court, a rare sight of visuals in fact coming to light at this point. A sitting chief minister takes on a battle against an institution, Election Commission of India, and has now taken the battle right inside the Supreme Court. We're getting you the visuals of Mamta Banerjee, in fact, sitting inside the court. Shivangi, that's where the case, in fact, stands right now. Those are the first pictures on Republic that have come out. Mamta Banerjee sitting inside the Supreme Court. Remember, she's decided to not entirely rely on her legal counsel. She says she understands the reality and the way SIR is being carried out in the state, on the ground, in West Bengal, and therefore she understands that case very well. She's also acquainted with the process and the procedures being carried out inside the Supreme Court. So she says she's sought an application to argue her own case, and in a short while from now, we understand that she, in fact, hearing will begin and she will appear, make direct submissions in the case before the top bench. Remember, it is a top bench comprising of the Chief Justice of India, Justice Suryakant, and Justices Joymala Bagchi and Vipul Pancholi. These are the justices which will be hearing her petition, a writ petition which has challenged the process of SIR. She alleges it's being carried out with an authoritarian approach, with a political bias to basically disenfranchise the state of West Bengal. Now remember, this also comes amid a political context. She's been in Delhi since Sunday. She's been meeting with the family members of those she alleges have lost their lives during the SIR process in the West Bengal. She also had a meeting with the Chief Election Commissioner. She walked out of that meeting. She called Ganesh Kumar, in fact, arrogant and a tool of BJP. So remember, there's a political context and legal battle now panning out. We're getting our viewers visuals from inside the Supreme Court, where a sitting chief minister set to appear before the top bench, arguing her own case and making direct submissions in the case.
Yes, Ishita, so exclusive pictures coming in. Mamta inside the Supreme Court, exclusive pictures coming in. And Mamta, and you know, Ishita, you mentioned about this meeting. Banerjee met with the Election Commission in the capital to raise concerns about the SIR process in West Bengal. That meeting did not go well because she walked out of the meeting with the CEC, Ganesh Kumar, at his office, accusing him of insulting and disrespecting. However, the Chief Election Commissioner and the Election Commission said that she did not even wait for the reply of the Election Commission. And now we see this high drama play out. Now we see that Mamta inside the Supreme Court. Yes, back to you, Ishita. How much more time left for those proceedings to start?
Right, of course. So at exactly 11 is when the hearings will begin, we understand. So let's say by 11:15 is when the arguments will start. Mamta Banerjee, in fact, we could expect to appear before the top court in about, let's say, 15 minutes and make her own arguments in the case wherein she alleges that the SIR is being carried out in an illegal way with an authoritarian approach to steal the votes from the people who are legitimate voters of the state. Also remember that, there are counter allegations are made by BJP as well in this case, although not as a part of this legal case. But of course, on the political front, they've said that Mamata Banerjee is trying to shield the infiltrators, the Bangladeshis who have come into the state, have got registered as voters. Mamata Banerjee just trying to shield her vote bank. Therefore, she's taken a battle against the Election Commission to the top court. And in a short while from now, in fact, we're expecting the hearing to begin about 11:15 is when the arguments could start, wherein Mamata Banerjee argues against what Election Commission has been saying, against what BJP is saying in the case. She says that Election Commission of India has become a political tool of the ruling party. They're working in collusion with the Bharatiya Janata Party to steal elections, to ensure that her party is targeted in the state of West Bengal. Back to you, Shivangi.
That's right. Okay, pictures coming in. Supreme Court here, Mamata's plea. We're getting these exclusive pictures. These pictures are showing you Mamata Banerjee with her team inside the Supreme Court. On the right hand, you can see her with her team inside the Supreme Court. We're waiting for that proceeding to begin very soon. Supreme Court here, Mamata Banerjee's plea.